Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to fix file system error 2,147,416,359 when opening photos with 5 quick fixes. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. Now, let's move on to fix this issue. Solution 1. Close and reopen image in default Photos application. The first solution you can try is reopening the photo in default Windows Photos app. Sometimes the internal glitches and bugs in the app start causing such issues. Therefore, in this situation, try reopening the image file to fix the error. Solution 2. Use the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. When suffering from the file system error, -2,147,416,359, in Windows 10, you can try to fix it with the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. It's a Windows built-in utility that helps repair problems related to Windows apps. To use this method, press Windows +I to open Windows settings. Then select Update and Security. Go to Troubleshoot. And then click Additional Troubleshooters from the right side. In the next window, scroll down to find and click Windows Store Apps. Then click Run the Troubleshooter. After that, this troubleshooter will automatically start detecting possible problems with apps in Windows. If any are found, follow the on-screen instructions to repair them. Solution 3. Run the SFC and DISM scans. If the corrupted or missing system files trigger the file system error, -2,147,416,359, you'd better use the SFC and DISM utilities to repair this error. To do this, press Win+R keys to open Run box. Type CMD, then press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to run command prompt as administrator. Type SFC/scan now and press Enter to execute this command. After the process ends, restart your PC and reopen the elevated command prompt. Now, execute the commands like DISM/online/cleanup image/check health, DISM/online/cleanup image/scan health, DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. Hit enter. Solution 4. Fix file system error 2,147,416,359 when opening photos with Photo Repair Tool. If you are getting file system error 2,147,416,359 due to photo corruption, try Photo Repair Tool. It fixes grainy photos, low quality, blurry, or distorted images successfully. So, just install this photo repair on your PC to know how it works. Download, install and launch photo repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted image files. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. Start repairing your added image files one by one. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired photos within the software. And click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired images at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. Solution 5. Use alternative photo viewing apps. When you face the file system error 2,147,416,359 while opening photo, you can use another photo viewing apps like Windows Photo Viewer, Earphone View, Faststone Image Viewer, etc. to open and view the image. So, this is all about fixing file system error 2,147,416,359 when opening photos. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.